Alright guys, right now we are on our way to a car meet. This is the first time I'm taking the GTS to a car meet, so it should be pretty fun. I heard it gets packed, and then we might do a little photo shoot later, get some rollers. Should be fun, but yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. How would you guys like to see a review? The M4 CS and the M4 GTS. I think that'd be a pretty dope review. Woo! Got the homie Jordan with his E92 M3. What up, bro? Oh my god, look how good Mineral White looks. I miss my M3. What? Is that the car from Fast and the Furious? Vin Diesel?
Nice car.
Thank you, bro. Oh shoot, where are we supposed to park? GTR, Rari, M3. We got a GT2 RS? No way. Damn, that's sick. A Lime Rock Jeep? Damn, we got a couple of GTRs. M3. And E90 on TEs. E46 M3. What? We got the doors going up on this Mustang. Transformers. Damn, we got like a bunch of good cars. Look at this dude right here in the little car. That's just sick, bro. Sick, bro. The police right there. We got the cops. We got the cops. You know what that means. This shit better not get shut down. I'm gonna let the homie right here lead the way. Damn. Look at that fitment. It's crazy. Got a few M3s right here. Look at that, they're like twins. Got it with the black ZZP and the silver ZZPs. Which one would you guys take? Dude, look at this Pista right here, Ferrari. And I didn't even notice, but it's got carbon fiber wheels. Holy shit, that's crazy, dude. Damn, this is sick. Look at this. That's freaking sick. Dude, this Benz is freaking nice. Holy shit, dude. And it's on air too. Fuck. That's sick as hell. That was my favorite. Fuck. All over Lime Rock. That's sick. Oh my god. Look at this exhaust tip, dude. I think my camera fits in here. It does. Fuck, this is sick, dude. And it's paint too. It's like a frozen green. That shit is nice. GT2 RS. Look at the wheels. HREs. Carbon fenders, carbon hood. Fuck, dude. That shit is sick. Fuck. AMG GTR Pro. This is like top of the line you can buy. Mercedes AMG. Look, it's like the same color as the GTS, frozen gray. That's just stupid clean. Sheesh. We got the whole Beamer squad. There's a lot of BMWs. E46 M3. Damn, that shit is nice. That's just sick, dude. GT3. That shit is nice. The homie Black Prez pulled up with his GTR. Big flex. Fuck, this is sick, dude. Damn, why are there so many GTRs? Nick, where you at? Damn, family goals right there. That's sick. We got a wide body right here. Damn. Damn, that shit's crazy. This E30 sick. For sure it's on bags. Damn, the interior is mint. Yep, airlift. Sick. Dude.
You equipment portion?
Yeah. Should we put this back in the back of the GTS? Imagine, guys. Jeez. Damn, that's clean. Can somebody explain to me what this is? And it's right-hand drive. Got the homie Palm with his clean E90 M3 with the Recaros, backseat delete, supercharged 6-speed manual. That's just sick, dude. Got the purple theme going on. Jeez. Oh my. That's funny as that's sick, dude. This is a clean E92 with the white tees. Damn. Shit is sick. Pulled up in the M5. Jeez. Dude, this is sick. E55 AMG. This is rare to find. Very, very rare to find. The homie Arium pulled up. Jeez. Damn, 720S. Big flex. What's up, G?
What's up, bro?
Big fan.
Thank you.
What up, bro? How are you?
Good, you?
Good.
What's up?
Damn.
Mafioso.
Sheesh. I don't know why I want this. Shit. Dang. Tracked out. Dude, it's sick. You should get it, Aryan.
Yeah, I'm asking him.
Ask him how much.
Hey, thing. He wants it for the vlog. How much you selling for?
For you, free, baby.
Thank you, thank
You
you.
make me so happy to stand. Look at star celebrity in the building. I'm Rock M3.
No, honestly, I'll give you $4 for it.
You do 2.5. I'll do 2.5 right now.
Let's do it. Fuck it.
Dude,
Yo.
fucking Aryan, bro.
You guys saw it. $2,000.
That's sick. That's sick. Damn. Got an R8 with some HREs. I still like this body style a lot. It looks good. Alright guys, we're about to head out from the meet, go get some breakfast. Probably do like a little photo shoot after, see what's up. Got the whole squad of cars.
$1.
What? I need a mask. We need a mask. I know. Oh, GT3. Yeah, that sounds good.
Thanks, you.
Damn. Alright, so we're at this little spot right here. Got this cool little garage in here. About to do some photos for everybody. Should be pretty sick. Damn. Bro, 2 GTSs, what the fuck? That's insane. Bruh. Oh my god. Which one would you guys take? We all have the same taillights. The GTS taillights. OLEDs. I can't believe these taillights are freaking expensive, dude. Like 10 grand for the taillights. It's insane. Dude, we have 3 frozen grays. But I think his shade's a little bit lighter. Woo. We just finished up photo shooting. We did the 2 GTSs together. We're gonna be making hella content too. You gotta keep up with both of the builds. Since I don't even know which one's mine. Can you guys guess which one is mine? That's just so crazy, dude. To see 2 GTSs with the cage. Same exact spec, it's insane. And what's dope is that we can make the wings taller. I think mine is sitting a little bit taller, like a different way. But I'm gonna extend it so it comes out taller. But it looks so sick. It's like so like race car-ish. I love it. Bro, what the?
Brand new? You got $600,000 worth of cars sitting there. Brand new.
Yo, what the fuck? Oh my god. Hey, second day of ownership and
Crash the GTS, bro.
Yeah, he's gonna cut that shit out. Don't worry.
Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.